Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be talking about how to create a Minecraft server. So there are different types of Minecraft servers. First one being the vanilla Minecraft server, which will be provided by Mojang themselves. So it's an official build which Minecraft provides. It doesn't have any extra features. For that, you will need to go with Spigot Minecraft server. So Spigot is basically a server which will allow you to use plugins and extra features with it. So there's this fork of Spigot called Paper MC, which focuses on performance and compatibility. Also, it has extra features in it. So we'll be using Paper MC for our today's tutorial. I won't be showing you how to run this vanilla Minecraft server or Spigot Minecraft server. The both are same, but we will be going with Paper Minecraft server. So I'll explain few things before we start. We will need Java installed in your machine for it to work. And after you have Java installed, I have Java installed already on my machine. So you can download it from this link. I will provide the link in the description. You can get it from there. Also, I will be providing other links which I will be mentioning in this video in the description. So you can find it there. So for that, we can go to downloads, and we have to select paper 1.19.3 so that we'll get the latest build of paper, and we'll get the download started. So once it's downloaded, we can create a new directory and we can move to some other directory. So the file is downloaded. We can create a new directory. I will create it on the desktop. I will name it Minecraft server. So now we have the new directory called Minecraft server. We'll open it. We'll move this file from downloads to Minecraft server. And once it's moved, we'll rename it to server.jar. Okay, so now the file is renamed as server.jar. So we will need to create a start file for this. It's basically a bat file. It's running a command for Java to execute this jar file. So let's do that by right clicking on the display, and we can create a new text document. We can rename it as start.bat. Yes, we'll rename it as start.bat. So remember, we renamed the server file to server.jar. It's because we can edit the bat file easily if we know the server file name. And likewise, I will give you the command to start the server in the description itself. So I will edit this file, bat file. I will use Notepad to edit it. You can use any other text editor to edit it. I will use this command. It's basically a Java executable command. Basically, Java is getting executed with the limitations which we are providing here. So Java jar and server jar, we have to specify the server jar name over here. So it's basically the name of the server jar file which we have in here. So it's basically the server file name, and this is where we will specify the RAM for the server. And nogui. So you might be questioning, what is nogui? Nogui is basically to tell the server jar file to not render any GUI out of the jar. So this jar comes up with a GUI. You can try it yourself without this flag, but I'll recommend using nogui because you will be having access to consoles anyway. So we'll save this and we'll exit. So to execute the file, we just have to double click on the bat file which we created. It will download the necessary things. It will ask us to create the EULA and stuff. We'll wait for it to download. It might take some time depending on your net speed and stuff. It will create multiple files in the server directory, the directory where you started the server. Okay, so it exited because we did not agree to the EULA. So let's close this. Let's change few things before we start the server. So in EULA.txt, you will need to change this to true and save it. And in server.properties, I will explain few things in server.properties. It's basically like a set of properties which you can change for a server. So let's see. So if you want to start a server with certain seed, word seed, you can specify the word seed here. Game mode, we can specify the game mode of the server in here, and there are a few other settings which you can try out. MOTD is basically the MOTD, a message which you will show up every time you see the server. So basically I will write and subscribe to Krak8. Yeah, so we'll do it. You can specify the port for the server, query port. This is query port, and this is so basically this is going to be the port which we will be using. Actually this is the one server port. Also there are a few things in here which you might change. For example, if you want to disable nether, you can disable it from here. And there is this thing called offline mode. So yeah, so in here there's this mode called online mode. You can change it to false to allow any offline mode player to join. So right now I'm gonna make it false so that I can show you how it's done. So I will save this file. I'll close this. I will run this thing again. So every time you click on the start.bat, it will start the server. So you just click on start. It will start. It will take some time. Okay, the server is started. Whenever it says timings reset, it says that whenever the server is online, up and running. So remember, this warning is coming up because we toggle the offline mode to true, basically online mode to false, and because of which, you know, like you might not get support from official Mojang and any other website. So be careful about that. So how you gonna connect to that server? So to connect that server, just click on add server. You give the server like any name, and you just need to enter your local address. So localhost, yeah, see, as soon as I wrote localhost, it's gonna show my server. It's basically saying subscribe to Krak8. It's because I wrote the MOTD in there. And yeah, make sure to subscribe me, guys, and you can join the server. So this is the word which it has created. Right now I don't have any perms oh shit, I fell down. Right now I don't have any perms on me, so I can't change the game mode and stuff. I can get it by doing OP Krak8. So I am OP right now, so I think I will be able to go in creative. Yes, now I can go in creative. So this is how you can create a server. There are a few other things which I haven't mentioned in this video. I will make another video explaining everything in detail. So this is just gonna be a basic video wherein I will be showing you how you can make the server and get it started. So this server is currently not accessible outside of my local net. It's because in India we don't have like static IP, and because of which we can't host anything in the internet. For that we can bypass that using some Minecraft hosts which you can use, or you can get a static IP to host your server. So that's it for today's video, and we'll be seeing you again. Oh, also I forgot to mention how to stop the server. So you just have to write ASTOP in the console and press enter. That's all. The server is stopped. See, I got kicked. Server closed, it seems. Yeah. So that's it. See ya.